end this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Discord channel read-only. Let's get started. First, select the Discord server where you want to make the channel read-only. I'm currently in my server right here. If you want to make a specific channel read-only, such as the general channel, click on those dots and then select Edit Channel. Next, click on the Permissions tab on the left-hand side. Now you'll see a list of roles and permissions for the channel. Locate the role you want to adjust. Typically, it's the Everyone role that applies to all members. Click on iEveryone to edit its permissions. You might need to click on Add Role if iEveryone isn't listed. Scroll down the list of permissions until you find the permission labeled Send Messages. Click on the green checkmark to the right of Send Messages to disable it. This might appear as a red X depending on your Discord theme. That's it. Now, the channel is read-only, meaning members won't be able to send messages anymore. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Discord tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.